Hi, I'm Ron Adams. My wife and I own the fabric shop. I'm the repair guy. A lot of times we have trouble with our machines, and it's not a mechanical problem, it's simply a little user error. So we're going to address some of those today. But the first thing I want you to do is get a basic understanding of exactly how a sewing machine works. So we're going to zoom in on our needle here. As the needle goes down, you'll notice that the hook spins around. When the needle is at its lowest point and starts back up, you will see that the point comes right behind the eye of that needle. Now, that's where a lot of problems can happen. So now we're going to focus on this very large needle. As the needle goes down, when it starts to come back up, it opens the thread so that the point of that hook can scoop the thread off the bottom and unite it with the bobbin and thus make a stitch. But what if that needle were bent and bent to the front? Then we're going to skip stitches. If it's bent to the back, we're going to break needles. So the common problems that a lot of you are having are you're breaking needles. Your needle is getting bent. Your thread is being frayed or cut. And what's causing that? It's because the needle was not inserted all the way to the top, and consequently the point of the hook is hitting the back of the needle and causing that problem. So now I'm going to go back to my large needle and emphasize some points. When that hook comes behind that needle, it's in an indentured area there. Now obviously this needle is hundreds of times bigger than an actual needle, but the point of that hook has to be in that groove. If you don't get the needle all the way up, then it's down a little and we're actually hitting the back side of that needle. That can bend needles, break needles, fray or cut your threads, all because the needle was not properly inserted. That's just one little tip, and if you have other problems, call me at the fabric shop. I'll be glad to help you out. Thank you for listening.